Hello everyone, I'm back again. So I am finally doing this video. I am hosting a Stampin' Up! Party for Deb Hauk, who is the demonstrator. And we all know Deb and we love her work. She does amazing cards and crafts. And so I really wanted to help support her. And so I told her I would host a party for her. The party runs from, already started August the 4th and runs to August the 30th. And there's a Hostess code that you should use, and it's XREPSW6J. And this is, I'm going to hold it up closer so you maybe can see it better. That's the Hostess code that you need. So if you will go to Deb's YouTube channel, which will be linked below in the description box, you can click on her link to Stampin' Up, and then you can put in this Hostess code here, and this will go toward my party. And so you can help both of us out this way. And but I wanted to do something to help Deb out for a long time, and I thought, I could do this for her. And I think we should all help each other out in the crafty community and support each other if we have businesses and things like that. So you have until August the 30th. This is a great time to order from Stampin' Up! Because their mini catalog is now out with all their Christmas stamps and fall, the Thanksgiving, all the special stamp sets are in that one right there. And so go have a look at it. And I'll have all the information that you need below in the description box. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all soon. Bye.